If you just installed OpenClaw and getting this error, gateway token missing or gateway token mismatch, you are not alone. This is the most common issue people are hitting at the moment while installing OpenClaw or upgrading it right now, and it takes few seconds to fix. And in this video, that is what exactly I am going to show you how. This is a fresh installation of OpenClaw, and after installing it, as soon as I ran that OpenClaw TUI command, it started giving me this error. So just press Ctrl C here, and then it will come back to the prompt. And then in order to fix it, simply run this command. It is going to ask you a prompt. Just press enter or select yes. So what is happening here is that the recent versions of OpenClaw, again just press enter. So recent versions of OpenClaw require token authentication on the gateway by default, even when running locally. A fresh install does not generate that token automatically, so the TUI cannot connect, or even your dashboard. So you see that this is what we have done here. If we have just generated the token, once you have generated the token, it's always a good idea to just go and restart your gateway, which is a bridge between your OpenClaw and your channels. It is going to restart the gateway service. Gateway service is restarted. Now just simply run that TUI command or OpenClaw dashboard again. And there you go. This time it has run like a charm. Now you can just keep using OpenClaw. So this is how simple it is. It is a very rapidly evolving software, so expect these breaking changes. Also, if you are interested in learning more about OpenClaw, just go to my channel, search with Claw or OpenClaw, and you can see I have done more than 50 videos on OpenClaw in the last 2 weeks from different angles with LM Studio, with security, and lot of other flavors and variants of OpenClaw. We have connected it with Olama and various other API based or local models. This is Fahad Mirza. Welcome to the channel. Please like and subscribe and consider becoming a member. Please also follow me on X if you're looking for AI updates without any hype. Any other issues you're facing in OpenClaw, put it in the comments. Me or the community is would be very happy to help out. Thank you for all the support.